Vibe AI IDE with specs and hooks to keep clean, built on code's familiar display. Clone your repo to enter the fray. We can use Kiro to play and to slay. Artifacts meant to be seen, AI agents to help prototype, flow vibe coding, clarity of specs, used together to act and react. Built on bedrock, you build your treasure. A fast prototype to play and to slay. We can use Kiro when you're feeling clever. This is the way. Key bindings like Emacs or Vim. Bring extensions and your vigor in Vim. Built on Bedrock, use Bedrock to build your treasure. Clone your repo, enter the fray. We can use Kiro to play and to slay. Vibe AI IDE with specs and hooks to keep clean, built on code's familiar display. We can use Kiro to play and to slay. We can use Rust, Go, Node, and Array. Grown from fragments and embers, shards and embers, embeddings, culled from the crawl, knots and ones, from shreds to threads, quantum shift, from sprinkle to squall, hop on board and you steer the ride. Build your treasure when you're feeling clever. Then we will use Kiro to play and to slay. We can use Kiro, we can use Kiro to play and to slay. We can use Kiro. Write something and Kiro assist you, feeding modules and lines, but you set the stage. Code faster and cleaner, enter the fray. Thank you.